Menteri Katanat Pulet uba Lahkmen Rymbui mentakasngi ulayat hu hakilat pathai khubor baki Pulet kirayo kem ya wei ubre uba hapo khat nyau snam karta bat ya unong selajung hak baya day bat kajing Pynbthei bom henen kasngi.
The recovery of some bomb unborn is a live bomb which ultimately defused by the bomb squad of the police department. And while investigation is on, the police have nabbed also one suspect accomplice of that fellow, and he also been picked up for interrogation to get into the bottom of this case. So, but the first one which have been picked up, he is still below 18 years. So the police have to proceed, taking into consideration also the Justice Tribunal Act, which is prevailed in our country. So I am very hopeful that, as I said before, that the police, through the investigation, they will be able to break this nexus and nab all those who are responsible in this dastardly act or cowardly act of those people. The police have already identified all the vulnerable area within the city and within the state also. Having said that, if you recall that even CCTV in some public places have been installed by the police department, which are very helpful into identify the crime or identify the people who are intending to commit the crime. So it is always there, and this issue is not new. It is the police is already alert, and but having said that, it is not very easy for in the crowded places that for the police, if somebody want to do something threatening. But having said that, technology help, and technology will help. This is the new age investigation, the new age of where the people also try to do something new. So we, as the policemen, we have to be alive to the situation, then investigate, then gathering of intelligence as per the need of the situation.